First, go to promptauto.io, open the chatbot section, and find GPT.Chatbot, behind the scenes film content creator. Click Get Link, copy the link, and open it in a new browser tab where you are already logged in to ChatGPT. Once the chatbot opens, you will see several ready-made topic suggestions at the top. You can choose one of these suggestions or enter your own cinematic idea. For this example, I'll simply click the suggested topic, tsunami attack. After selecting the topic, the chatbot will analyze the idea and automatically generate a complete set of prompts, including an image generation prompt and a video generation prompt. Now you can start creating the content. First, copy the image prompt. You can use any AI image generator you prefer. In this example, I'll use ChatGPT Image. Paste the image prompt into ChatGPT Image, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, and generate the image. If the first result is not exactly what you want, you can create a few more variations and choose the best one. Once the image is ready, move on to the video generation step. For this example, I'll use PixVerse AI. Copy the video prompt generated by the chatbot, then upload the image you just created as the reference image. Next, configure the video settings. I'll select 720p resolution, set the video duration to 15 seconds, and use Seedance 2 Mini to keep the credit cost lower while still producing smooth and cinematic motion. After finishing the settings, click Generate and wait for the system to process the video. Within a few minutes, you will have a cinematic behind-the-scenes style video with realistic camera movement, dramatic visual effects, and the feeling of a large-scale movie production. The main advantage of this chatbot is that you do not need to write complicated prompts yourself. Simply select a suggested topic or enter your own idea, and the chatbot will automatically optimize the prompts for both image and video generation. You can use it to create content such as behind-the-scenes movie scenes, disaster sequences, war scenes, giant characters, monsters, UFO encounters, natural disasters, futuristic cities, or almost any cinematic concept you can imagine. Once the video is generated, you can download it and publish it directly on TikTok, Facebook Reels, or YouTube Shorts. If you want a more polished result, you can also add background music, sound effects, subtitles, or your brand logo in CapCut before posting. Visit promptauto.io, open the chatbot section, find GPT Chatbot, behind the scenes film content creator, get the link, and start creating your first AI cinematic video today.